Our good friend Chuck Cheek from CMI Precision called us and said he's got a new product he wants us to check out. You might know him from these awesome ball joints that he makes. If you haven't watched our ball joint video, make sure you check that out. His stuff is just top notch, great quality. So I'm excited to see what he sent us. I know it's for a Pro R, so let's unbox it and check it out. All right, here's what we got. We have, looks like some clevises for the steering rack, some new pins for the knuckle. Very nice, easy to read instructions. And this must be the tie rod. So this is CMI Precision's billet tie rod kit. It looks like it has an angled cup on the end with a uniball in it, and that's gonna help for steering deflection. FK bearing tie rod, or Heim joint that goes with the clevis that goes into the steering rack. And then an awesome tapered pin that looks really beefy. This quality is gonna be great. This is gonna help with all those steering issues that we have on the Pro R, and it's gonna give you a lot of strength. So really excited to get these installed. We'll do some more videos and install stuff when we get those installed on one of our cars.